we've got an application here in number 7. It says over the next 15 years, a company projects its continuous flow of revenue to be given by this function right here. So this is an exponential growth function, right? The start value is 80, and it's in thousands of dollars. We're going to start at $80,000, and this is a 0.05, so it's increasing at 5% per year, right? So we got an exponential growth curve. And here's the cost. So the cost is a quadratic. It's positive, so it's opening upward, where x is a number of years from now. Approximate to the nearest dollar the profit this company is going to make. We're going to start with something which is neat to know here, and that is that the profit one makes is equal to the revenue that you bring in minus the cost. So our profit is going to be the revenue, 80e to the 0.05x minus the cost. And because I've got more than one term here, I'm going to use parentheses. Let's simplify it up a bit. Profit is equal to 80 e to the 0.05x minus 0.4x squared minus 60. And we want this over the next 15 years. So how about if we say this? The total profit is going to be the integral from 0 to 15 of 80 e to the 0.05x minus 0.4x squared minus 60 with respect to x. So this is going to give us, now it's an exponential, so it's 80, it's the function itself divided by that multiplier, right? So this is going to be 0.05 and then minus 0.4x cubed over 3 and then a minus 60x, and that's all going to go from 0 to 15. So let's see what we can do here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take 80 and divide it by that 0.05. So I'm going to take this 80 and divide it by 0.05, and that gives me 1600 e to the 0.05x minus, now if I take the 0.4 and divide it by 3, I'm going to round off a bit. I get a 0.133 maybe, and then x cubed minus 60x, and we're still going to go from 0 to 15. Let's put in the upper limit, so we'll get 1600 e to the 0.05 times 15 minus 0.133, 15 cubed minus 60 times 15 minus, now put in that lower limit, it's going to be 1600 e to the, just do this one, just do this, it's what? It's, I'm up here. 0.05 times 0 is 0. So I'm just going to put 0 here. I could have gone ahead and computed that. E to the 0 is 1. Okay, and then if I put in 0 here, right, put that 0 in here and here, those just go out. Those are just zeros. So I'm just going to drop that then. Now this, of course, is just what? E to the 0 is 1. This is just 1600. So we need to make this computation, and that looks like a calculator problem. So I did this on my calculator. I'm coming out to this number 4. Well, let's see. I'm getting 437.2. But remember, this is all in thousands. So if it's in thousands, it's 1, 2, 3. So how about this? Our profit is going to be 4372 and a couple zeros there. So our profit is going to be $437,200.